and welcome to Brunch Club, where the tea is served hot. Dating in India is wild, वैसे भी. Now throw geography into that. Suddenly all the rules changes. Big city dating is more like brunches, going out, fine dine, which Chandra can tell us well because she is a big town girly. And small town dating is basically hiding from the whole city, dating in stealth mode, which me and Soumya relate because we are small town girlies.
So, Soumya, where are you from?
I'm from Jhansi and I love Jhansi.
I'm from Gwalior, MP. Dil se MP.
मेरा sister शहर बहुत पास है.
So how do you think growing up in Jhansi affected your expectations out of relationships?
Not just Jhansi, I think anytime you are in a small town, there's no such thing as casual dating and there's no such thing as casual love. You are like walking on eggshells. You're like, because I'm taking such a big decision and I know that if my parents or my family finds out, they will not support me. So you try your best to do it right, because the moment you commit to a person, it gets very hard to get out of that relationship.
So by default, people don't have
by default, most small town people, they think of love as something very serious and intentional. You won't believe. 8-9 standard, almost everybody is getting in a relationship, they're having a crush on somebody. I was bamboozled by the amount of people who've gotten engaged to their girlfriends in a coaching parking lot. I was like, what is going on in your mind? Why? And those are shitty. Like Archie's used to have these like crystal heart-shaped rings.
The most cringiest
People
ones.
used to come before the coaching classes, propose each other, and I even heard a few people even got married in mandars.
Wow.
So it was not the right thing to do, but it was so crazy how they were like, I found this girl in 9th standard, I like her, I know nothing about her, but I'm gonna marry her.
I love talking to you guys because our experiences are so different. And sometimes when you only have your own perspective, you don't realize there's any other way of being. So every time I talk to you guys, I'm like, my mind is blown that is also how people approach dating. I was born in the States. My mom's American. My mom's entire side of the family is obviously American. And when we did move here, when I was older, I grew up in Delhi, that to South Delhi. I went to the American school. So my perspective was that your love life is a playful, joyful exploration of the self. It's a process of trial and error. That's how I felt, that if I'm liking someone, I'm going to give it a try, almost as training wheels. Like I really saw my first relationship as training wheels. When I met him, I didn't expect to marry that person, but I was excited to learn what it was like to be in a relationship to begin with. And to me, even marriage wasn't necessarily something that had to last forever. Like I have 2 Masis, both of them have been married twice, and one is like on her 3rd relationship and she's like 65, right? So for me, it was sort of like life is a really long journey. People come in for a season, they come in for a reason to teach you something, and then you're on to the next one.
So in Gwalior, it was never like you get to explore, you get to know a guy, match your compatibility. ये सब कुछ नहीं होता था. Infatuation को हम love समझ जाते थे. And then I used to like the guy, we used to come in a relationship. Now, after you have come into a relationship, now figure out कि you are even compatible or not.
You have to be very, very sure about who you're trying to date, because religion and other factors like socio-economic factors are so important, because वो बिरादरी में मतलब हमारी नाक कट जाएगी is so prevalent in that area that you can't do that. In small town, when we started dating, we also tried to hide that we had started dating even from our friends.
We can't be seen in cafes or public spaces, even though parks are public properties, but we can't just roam around, walk with our lovers in park. We were always with that gali ka kona, and then I to even went Gwalior ka fort, because let's be honest, uncle aunties wahan to nahi pahunch payenge like to the fort. So fort was sort of like my private. Fort was my private place, like where I can have some privacy with my boyfriend. Like let me just understand and know the person. So dating was always like in secret. किसी को पता नहीं लगना चाहिए. Full basically dating in stealth mode, कि आपको पूरे शहर को पता नहीं लगना चाहिए, क्योंकि अगर किसी में like शहर में किसी को भी कानों कान खबर लग गई कि I was seen with that guy, next day morning they'll reach at my house they'll tell my father कि आजकल आपको पता है आपकी लड़की बाहर लड़कों के साथ घूम रही है, आपको लड़की पर आप ध्यान ही नहीं दे रहे हैं, आप कुछ उस पर बिल्कुल ध्यान दीजिए, आपकी लड़की हाथ से निकल गई है. एंड इतना भी नहीं था, they would tell their children to not roam around with me. So because I'm dating a guy, because I'm talking to a guy,
You're a bad
now
influence on
abandoned. Imagine I was going through that phase as a child. So मेरे लिए आप समझ रहे हो, love एक तरीके से सीक्रेट भी था, बट एक तरीके से टैबू भी बन गया था कि लव करना है तो सही तरीके से करना है, कुछ भी रिलेशनशिप करना है तो सही तरीके से करना है. अगर मैं गलत गई तो इट इज गोना कॉस्ट माई फ्रीडम.
एंड यहाँ उल्टा बिग सिटी में अमेरिकन स्कूल में खासकर तुम डेट नहीं कर रहे हो तो what's wrong with you? You're a loser, right? Like aunties would come and be like, wait, you're still not dating anyone? And I'd be like, no. They'd make you feel like there was something wrong with you because high school is the time when you date people, right?
It was basically opposite because I was dating so many guys and they were like, this is not your age. आपकी उम्र ही नहीं है ये सब करने की. आपकी उम्र कब है? शादी के बाद. आपको कुछ भी करना है, एक बार शादी कर लो. आपको घूमना है, आपको कपड़े पहनने हैं, आपको खाना है. If you have to survive, basically, just marry and then your life
Starts.
And then I came to Delhi and I was like literally seeing people using dating apps, having casual sex and also hookups. So I was also blown by the fact कि relationship के बिना ये लोग कैसे कर सकते हैं. Like we were not even allowed to kiss without being in a relationship.
But being a very internationally exposed big city person, I always was looking for that anchor and stability in someone that was coming from a small town, and I was excited and attracted to people who displayed those values of more like old school, more traditional love.
Like, I understand where are you coming from and why do you like that, and on that I feel the same. So after few years in Delhi, obviously I was liking the whole environment where I was casual and stuff like that. Sorry to say, but it's so fucked up that I started missing my
small
Gwalior romance. Why? Because a very unpopular opinion, I feel small town boys like not really cheat.
I don't agree with that. That is the one time I'm not agreeing on a cheating statement.
So the percentage is quite low. Why? Because see, एक तो options बहुत कम होते हैं in small towns. Like कि एक आपको मिल गया and then you can't really fuck up with that कि now you have an option, you were cheating. But in Delhi and big town ऐसे cities, I feel there are so many options and like it's so much that you sort of confuse yourself कि oh इसमें तो ये भी अच्छा है but मुझे तो ये भी चाहिए. It's like a mixture and becomes like a khichdi.
I think people from small town, people who really work on the game is much better than big city boys. In a big city, what would you do? You would go to a woman, like go up to a woman in a bar and just flirt with her. Nobody gets to know. You can fuck up 10 times. None of your friends know that. Even the girl wouldn't know who you are. She wouldn't remember. You can't do that in a small town. In a small town, you go up to a girl and you fuck up your opening line. You say something really dumb. You really awkward. She knows who you are. Her friends know who you are. Your friends know that you fucked up. So what you have to do is you have to really, really, really up your game to be in that league for everybody else. And I think that because they are in this habit of, refining themselves, because you get very few chances. Imagine having only 3 baddies in a town. Like that's I think I mean they're just
there's
3
baddies and you want to get
want to get one of the baddies.
Yeah.
First of all, you have very few chances, but you've refined your game enough that when you come to a big city,
you actually shine.
and people think कि अरे ये तो स्मॉल टाउन का है, इसको तो क्या ही आता होगा. भाई तुम्हें पता नहीं वो बंदा 9th से 12th क्लास तक जो उसने शायरियाँ सीखी है.
On the other hand, अगर कोई स्मॉल टाउन का लड़का है, उसने इतना एक्सपोजर देखा नहीं है, तो आपके कॉन्वर्जेशंस में वो डेप्थ ही नहीं आएगा कभी. बिकॉज आपका एक्सपोजर, आपका माइंडसेट, आपका ग्रोइंग लेवल, यू हैव सीन द वर्ल्ड, यू हैव नॉट जस्ट इंडिया, नॉट जस्ट सिटीज, लाइक ब्रॉड. और वो एक जलंधर से बाहर ही नहीं निकला है. सो हाउ डू वी एक्सपेक्ट
You are like the richness and the education I got from that relationship about the roots of India, I would never get from a fucking Scenic Farms boy, a Saket boy who spends most of his life in Dear Donna and
And we're like, do you have a whip? Do you have a whip?
Do you have a whip? Do you have a whip?
I also feel small town boys don't have depth in the sense that they don't understand women that much and not that deeply because कभी family में वो
कभी,
dynamic
हाँ.
नहीं है समझ रहे हो like maybe about the culture they are very culturally rich I agree on that but do they fail to understand women at times
Yes.
yeah they do
Yeah.
That's
because
true, that's
they
true.
have
That's true.
never seen in their family
Small town boys are still very conventional, very traditional. Like I've seen very few boys from small towns who don't have this idea ingrained this in their head that this is what a bahu should look like. Like you can be the most independent woman, but you should also fit in my family
हम
structure.
फिर भी आपको काम करना
Allow करते हैं.
Allow करोगे.
I've not seen a lot of big city boys, and I can tell you the reason because here, even the family structure is such that they've seen their moms working. In our small towns, now they've started working, but for the past, generation, they were not working. Their reference group is so small. I don't think so
Boy.
it can work out if you're somebody who comes from an independent background and you want to have an unconventional family structure and marriage. It would be very difficult to marry somebody from a
Very
small town,
traditional.
from a very traditional family. It's your choice because we have enough to give you a comfortable life. So if you are going out and making a life for yourself, that's your decision.
And हम
You
आपको
won't-
allow कर
हम
रहे हैं
आपको
वो।
अलाउ कर रहे हैं और आप घर भी देखोगे, आप बाहर भी देखोगे. अगर आपको ज्यादा दिक्कत हो रही है तो आप मत जाओ बाहर. क्या जरूरत है?
पैसे तो आ ही रहे हैं
पैसे
वैसे
तो
भी
आ ही रहे हैं.
I have a point to make on finances
Oh,
because I
please.
think we don't talk enough about the pressure that small town boys feel when they come to a big city to wine and dine a big city South Delhi girl. So there's this impression that a lot of South Delhi women from a certain elite background are gonna first judge a guy based on what car did he pick me up in? What fine dining restaurant did he make a reservation at? And I feel like it's so unfair to put the same pressure and expectation from someone who really hustled to make it here,
Yeah.
who's not from a generationally wealthy family, but who's doing really well for himself now. Whenever I was interested in a guy who was maybe from Chhattisgarh or from Lucknow, even just like Jamnapar, you guys, like
We love
Geeta Nagar,
Jamnapar.
like what's that? Khichiripur.
What's Khichdi?
Geeta Colony. They used to feel so inadequate, being like, I really want to take you to this place, but I can't right now. And they felt a lot of shame to be like, I want to take you to this cafe instead,
Yeah.
or maybe let's go have a Golgappa date,
Yeah.
which, first of all, I would fall for every time, I fear. Like, if you take me to get Golgappas, like, that's a cheat code.
Yeah.
To get Chandra's heart, I'm sorry. And they always used to feel bad. And it's my desire as a South Delhi girl to put it out there that big city South Delhi women, we need to stop judging men based on what car they pick us up in.
Yeah.
It's in no way a proxy for how they will treat you in the long term or the kind of life that they can give you, right? So let's cut small town boys some slack.
Now I'll be a diplomat. I would say हर सिक्के का पहलू सेम नहीं होता जैसे कि सब बोलते हैं. स्मॉल टाउन बॉयज बहुत अच्छे हो सकते हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा कल्चरली ड्रिवन हो सकते हैं, सारी औरतों को समझ सकते हैं, बट ऑन दी अदर हैंड देयर आर मेन इन स्मॉल टाउन ग्वालियर, झांसी, जलंधर, छत्तीसगढ़,
भोपाल,
जो
इंदौर.
नहीं समझते हैं वो आज तक अपने बबल में रह रहे हैं. एंड इट इज द ऑपोजिट. लाइक इट कैन बी द सेम इन बिग टाउन लाइक दिल्ली, बॉम्बे.
We can't make generalizations.
Yeah.
We can only hope to make good decisions for
Yeah.
ourselves and try to evaluate.
After an hour of generalization.
After an hour of discussing on both small town cities and big town cities, we have come to a decision. Let's not generalize.
Every individual is unique.
Yeah.
A unique snowflake. And that's a great place to close.
Close.
ladies and
Yeah.
gentlemen. Thank you so much for watching another episode of The Brunch Club. If you enjoyed this video, do be sure to hit subscribe, share it with all your big city and small town friends, and we will see you in the next one.
Bye.